They've been kind to us as well so far for the Rugby World Cup. It's a beautiful evening out there at the moment. We've had record-breaking temperatures in Scotland today, in Aviemore, just reaching about 21 degrees Celsius. That's breaking a 30-year record. Not for all, unfortunately for Oban, we've had some stubborn fog on the coast, but as you saw from the satellite picture, not many places have not seen wall-to-wall sunshine, and under high pressure tonight and those starry skies, it will once again turn misty and foggy and pretty cold, with temperatures out in the countryside and the towns low enough for a touch of grass frost, a little bit of ice perhaps on the windscreens if you're up early enough, and of course the fog. That is the real issue, isn't it, for travellers at the moment. It was quite thick in places through the central lowlands this morning. I think a repeat performance tomorrow for some, maybe a bit more cloud towards the north and west of Scotland. You can see a weak weather front up towards the north here. That'll be the only change really for many of us tomorrow. It's a bit more cloud for Northern Ireland, but certainly not stopping the fog risk for the morning. It was quite slow to clear from Northern Ireland as well. A real risk across northern England, not just the Vale of York, perhaps northwest England, down into Wales and the Midlands, Lincolnshire like this morning, and even some southern parts of England where we've been rather more immune to fog just recently because of more breeze, but that breeze is easing. So the fog will clear, but at this time of year with the waning sun, it does take until late morning for it to clear away from most of us. But you can see that rain towards the far north. It really is just a feature for the Northern Isles. Most of us once again seeing temperatures into the mid to high teens, feeling lovely and warm. And the good news is that it's set to stay for another weekend, 2 weekends in a trot. Dry, some warm sunshine, perhaps a little bit more cloud around than we've seen recently, but that's not difficult, is it? Because we've had very little cloud around. The reason being we've got low pressure starting to advance in from the Atlantic. Some uncertainty as to how quickly that's going to march its way northwards, but it does look at the beginning of next week, which we will lose this fine weather, Rita, but not till then.
OK, great. Thanks, Helen. A reminder.